Good morning. It's Mrs. Mercer, and we're doing our phonics lesson this morning. Yesterday, in our last lesson, we talked about that Y, and that sometimes it says I, and sometimes it says E, and then sometimes it's a consonant. Way back at the beginning of lesson 1, we talked about our vowels A, E, I, O, U. Most of the time Y and sometimes W. And we have not yet talked about how W is a vowel. So that's what we're going to do today. So get ready to write with me. I wanted to show you a vowel team first. Let's write this word. G-O-A-T. Now you're going to say, Miss Mercer, that doesn't have a W in it. You're right. But I wanted to show you this vowel team and remind you of the vowel teams first before I throw a W in there. So what do you see? See your vowels sitting next to each other. And you connect them. And A is just there to do what? That's right. Push open the door and let the O say her name, his name. So one syllable word because there's one vowel sound, and so we go back and touch our sounds. G-oat. Goat. Good job. And that's your typical vowel team. But there's another way to make the O sound, and that's where W comes in. So erase that word and get ready to write a word that has a W in it. Let's write this word. S-H-O-W-N. Now, some people would say, well, that only has one vowel, but it isn't. This is a time when W acts like a vowel. And so we mark the O and we mark the W, and that's our vowel team. So we hook them together. The W is just there to push open the door so that O can say her name. Anybody notice something else we got to do in this word? That's right. There's a diagraph, so make sure you underline your SH. SH, ship, shh. SH, ship, shh. That's right. Okay. It's still just a one-syllable word, and now we can do our sounds. Sh, own, shown. Mrs. Mercer has shown you how to mark words so that you can decode words. Sh, own, shown. Erase, 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 erase. And get ready for the next word. Let's write this word. G-R-O-W-N. Got it? Good job. Now mark your vowels. Connect them because they're a team working together. What's the W doing? Just push and open that door, so cross out the W. And what does that do for our O? Is she going to say ah or O? O, of course, because the door's open. She's got to say her name. There's only one syllable. And we're going to go back and touch our sounds. G-er-own. Grown. You have grown so much. I wish I could see you so that I could see how much you've grown. Erase the word grown. Now, just like Y, sometimes write this word. F-L-O-W. So just like the Y in the word play, sometimes the W is just there to make sure that the door stays open for the O. So W is not there to do anything else, but to make sure the door stays open. O says her name, one syllable word. O, flow, go with the flow. So OW is just another way to spell the long O sound. You can spell long O in several ways. but OW is one of them. Let's write 2 more words. I'm going to throw this one in here. K, N, O, W, N. Mark your vowels. That's right, the O and the W. What are you going to do? They're a team. Let's hook them together. Cross out the W because he's just there to push that in out of the way. And we're going to put a macron on the O. What else do you see going on here? Oh, maybe you didn't remember. But K, when he gets with the N, doesn't say anything. So we're going to now do our sounds. Own, known. I should have known about that silent K. Doesn't say anything. Okay, let's erase, erase, erase. And our last word for today, B. L. O. W. Okay, I bet you've already started marking. I'm going to catch up with you today. So I'm going to mark my O and my W, hook them together. W is just there to make sure the door stays open, and O can say her name. What's this word? Did you do your sounds? B-O-O, blow. Blow the candles out. Blow. So now we know that this is how W acts like a vowel. W also acts like a vowel in some diphthongs that we'll learn more about later. But for now, remember that O-W is just one more way to spell the O. Good job, guys. Good work. Keep it up and keep reading every day.